Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Grafana latest version, that is 11.5 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Click on docs, then click on Grafana, then click on setup, then click on install Grafana. Then select the Debian or Ubuntu. See, these are the steps that needs to be performed to install Grafana from the apt repository. Okay, so we have to run these commands one by one. So copy this one, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Okay, both are already installed. Now import the GPG. Just click on this copy button, paste it, hit enter. Next, add the repository for this stable releases. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Then see, this is for beta release, so no need to run this one. Okay. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. Now install the Grafana. See here, if you want to install Grafana OSS, we have to run this command. If you want to install Grafana Enterprise Edition, we have to run this one. So I am going with Grafana Enterprise Edition. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we are installing Grafana 11.5. See here, first we have to run this one, that is reloading the daemon. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to enable the Grafana server, then we have to start the Grafana server. So first verify the status of the Grafana server. Sudo systemctl status Grafana -server. Hit enter. See, Grafana is installed but it is not started and it is disabled. See, we have to run this command or simply run the sudo systemctl start Grafana -server. Hit enter. Now enable, just to replay this, start with enable. Hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status. See, Grafana service is active and running and it is enabled. Okay. Then this is by using. Now we have to start the Grafana. We have already started. Now sign into Grafana. See, this is the URL. This is the username and password also same. Okay, so go to new tab, localhost, port number 3000. Hit enter. See here, the username is admin, password also same. Okay, so admin, do the admin, then click on login. Not now. Now see, it is asking to change the password, or you can skip. Okay, but change the password, then confirm the same. It is up to you. You can skip also, then you can continue with admin and admin. Okay, click on submit. Now see, this is the Grafana welcome page. See, if you want to change the password, you have to click on change password. Okay, if you want to sign out, you have to click on sign out here. Here I have given the localhost, but we can give the host name also. That I will show you. Dashboards. Now go to connections, then click on data sources, then click on add data source, then search for PostgreSQL or MySQL. Then click on PostgreSQL. See, this is the just connection name. Okay. If you want to edit, you can edit. But here we have to give the host URL like localhost 5432. Or if you are installed on some other server, just give that server name and default port for the PostgreSQL. But if you have configured PostgreSQL with some other port, you have to give that port. So I have installed on this PC and given the 5432 as a port number. And I have a database bank, username, Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. SSL mode, I am going to select disable. Remaining options I am not going to change. Then click on save and test. Not now. See, database connected successfully. We go to again data sources. See, here we have one data source. The same way, if you want to search, if you want to connect MySQL, just click on this add new data source. Then search for MySQL. Then click on the same way here with the localhost port. Default port for MySQL is 3306. Database MySQL root. Provide the password of root account. Then I'm not going to do anything. Just click on save and test connection. See, database connection is okay. Okay, which means we have successfully connected. If you go to data sources, see, we have two connections. If you want to delete this connection, just click on it and click on delete. Okay, I'm not going to do, but I'm showing you. Okay, now now go to terminal. See, now we are able to connect successfully. But if you stop, we will see what will happen. Control L, sudo systemctl stop Grafana -server. Also, if you want to see the version, see here we have the Grafana version 11.5. Okay, so hit enter. It is typo. Hit enter. See, Grafana is stopped. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Again start it. Now reload. Now see, we have successfully connected. If you want to restart Grafana service, just replace this start with restart. Hit enter. It is done. But if you reload, nothing will happen. Until now we have connected Grafana by using localhost. We can also connect with the hostname. Okay, get hostname here. Hostname. See, this is the hostname. Let me copy it. Paste it. Give the port number 3000. Hit enter. Now provide the admin and provide the new password that we have set. Then click on login. See, we are able to log in. See, we have successfully logged in. Go to connections, data sources. See here, these are the added data sources. If you want to change password, go to here, change password. Then we have to provide the current password and provide the new password. Confirm the same. Then we have to click on change password. Okay, this is the way. I have tried with the same password. That's why the error. Okay, but the way is, this is the way. Okay, and if you want to see the like bookmarks and etc., see here we have different options. You can go through each option and you can practice. If you want to create a dashboard, click on here. Then you have to click on these options. Okay, not only this one, you can also give look back IP also. 127.0.0.1 If you installed on some other PC, then you can give that IP of the machine. Okay, so then you have to provide the username and password. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure Grafana 11.5 on Ubuntu 22.04. For more Grafana tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.